Louis bag stuff with the racks in it, bitch. Crescent made back, but I'm backing it, bitch. If you wanna show, I'm texting. Link my jacket and it match my lashes. Okay. Girl, that's too much flexing, and y'all in the wrong direction, bitch. Low key, I was being.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Beauty by Bombshell, and today's look is going to be a pink eyeshadow look supporting October breast cancer awareness. So stay tuned. Something different. I want to take a liquid eyeliner and do underneath my eye. I'm not doing my favorite Urban Decay today. Usually I take the Urban Decay pencil 347 glider. I usually take that and do underneath my eye, but today I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this one. This one. I'm gonna do the other side. I pull it down so I can make sure I get a even coat underneath the eye. I don't want it to go underneath the eye. I just want to go on the waterline. Let me properly say it for y'all so y'all can understand where I'm coming from, so I can stop rambling. So next I'm going to take, I'm just loving this look. Like, I could just go outside like this, guys. Like, what you said? I could definitely go outside like this. Okay, let me stop playing. All right, wasting my time, wasting y'all time. So let me get to it. So we're gonna take the NYX eyeshadow base in white. We're gonna take this. What I do is I use my finger, I put it on my eyelid, I pat it on, I bring it up in the crease area a little bit. So whatever color I put in the crease area, it gets it. Oh man, some got on my eyebrow. Take the other side. The other side. Hi guys, I had to definitely do a voiceover because my daughter's tablet was extremely too loud. So right here I'm taking a Fash palette and I'm going to take the color pink, which I'll be showing you guys now. So I'm going to take the color pink. Well, right here I'm describing the different colors, the varieties, different colors, different shades, but without further ado, I'm going to take the color pink right here. I don't know if you can see it. And I'm going to take that color and I'll put it on top of my lid. I'm just going to pat it on. Consistently patting it on, building up the product, building up how bright the pink shows. And this is a nice color pink. Just going to keep patting it on my eye, building up the product. I want to continue to build up the product so it could be a bright color pink. I don't want it to be dull. I want it to really show a nice, pretty future pink. So now I'm going to do the other eye. No, I'm still doing the same eye. And building up the product. Now I'm going to do the other eye. I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other side to this side. And without further ado, enough rambling, I'm going to just fast forward. I'm gonna take the black that's in this and I'm gonna smoke it out. I don't know, I just like smoking out all my looks. Cause I usually be doing it at nighttime. So I usually make it a nighttime look. I probably should definitely did that with a brush. Definitely should have did it with a brush. You want to bring it up in the crease area and bring it over because you're trying to make the smoky eye effect. So even if you want to bring it into the pink, you could, because you're trying to make it a smoky eye effect. Alright. Of course, I definitely have to go in there with a brush. So this is the eye crease brush by e.l.f. So I'm just gonna go in there, blend it out so it won't be so harsh. Yes. Blend it out. Make it less harsh. I'm gonna go on the eyelid a little bit too. Alright, so that took a little bit of the pink off so it's not so hard. Pat my eye a little bit. Yeah, because I don't want it to be too pink. Okay, so we finished with that. I'm going to take pigment. This time, instead of using the Bake bronzer that I always do, the one that I use on my bridge, my nose, and I always put it right here, I'm just going to take the MAC pigment in the color Gold Mold. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it underneath my eyebrow area, and that's going to be the highlight for underneath my eye. It's like a goldish color, nice shiny goldish color. Alright, so I'm going to do the other side. I'm not trying to take too much because I don't want it to be OD shining. Shining, 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 yeah. Of course, I'm using my finger, right? This whole tutorial I've been using my finger when I got to my eyebrows. I mean, not my eyebrows. When I got to the eyeshadow part. So I'm gonna take the mascara in Colossal. I don't know. It looks like this. I'm taking this one. Probably can't see it, but that's the one I'm taking. I'm gonna go like this. I like to close my eyes so I can shape the lashes better and get all coated. I got my nose. Dang. Okay, do the other side. Then underneath my eye. I also do lashes underneath my eyes. So if you guys want a tutorial on, I had to sneeze off camera, but if you guys want a tutorial on how I do my lower lashes, how I put individual lashes on my lower eye so it could be more dramatic, just put in the comments below and I would definitely do a tutorial on that. But moving on. I'm going to use Kiss New York Professional in the color Chaos. It's yellow. It's like a nice yellow color. That's where I'm going to put it. I don't want to mess up the look. Do you guys think this is messing up the look? Because I know it's supposed to be a pink tutorial. And I'm over here putting yellow. I'm just going to do it. Just adding a little bit of funkiness to the makeup look. Superhero liner. I always scratch out the outer eye to put it on so it's evenly put on, because I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, I don't want to mess up the outline, so I always squint it out so I know I'm very precise in the way that I'm putting it on. You gotta have a nice steady hand to put this on. And you gotta try not to blink. To me, that's the hardest part, is trying not to blink. I usually wing it out. So I'm going to take whatever mess ups that I did. I'm going to take the concealer, put it underneath that area. Put it underneath that area. Little dots. So I'm not messing up my foundation that I put on. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to pat it. Yeah, I'm going to pat it. So it's not spreading too much to mess up the concealer that I already have. So I'm just patting it. This one kind of messed up, so, and I put it all messed up anyway, so it was a good thing. I'm gonna go over it and fix it. There you go. This is with my lashes on, guys. This is how the look came out. I definitely appreciate all the beauties out there that take their time out to look at me and my little tutorials. But anywho, the shirt that I'm wearing is Stars Fitness. You should go check out his page. He definitely have a page on YouTube. I will leave it in the description box, so check that out. And his Instagram. If y'all want to get fit, definitely go to him. He's the truth. So make sure that y'all like, subscribe, hit the notification bell.
Stuff for direction it. Crescent made back, but I'm backing it. If you wanna show, I'm texting. Link my jacket and it match my lashes. Girl, that's too much flexing. And y'all in the wrong direction. Low key, I was being petty.